What's going on, guys? Charles out here at Arizona Motorsport Park. With NASA Arizona, and it is the second day of our HPDE time trials, and Marissa and Wes are racing in race group in ST2 with their GTR. And I've got Marissa's GTR behind me. It's a 2014 GTR with some very light mods. It's intake, downpipe exhaust, and a tune. It's making some serious power, and obviously they've got their full race car here, all caged out, but the engine is pure stock. It even has the air boxes. It does have titanium downpipes, but right now it's on stock exhaust because out here they have a regulation of 96 decibels. And that right there is almost the limit. So what are we out here to do today, guys? I have to do 4 races. That's 4 races. That's counting Saturday and Sunday. So that means my next weekend will count for those next 4, and I get to go to comp school. I, as most of you know, am trying to become a race car driver. What better place to do it is here at NASA, where we can go wheel-to-wheel racing in this bad boy next year in 5 endurance races. So all I gotta do is basically not break any rules, keep it on track, no 4-offs, just drive and show competence, make some safe passes, and adhere to all the rules. So again, it's my second day. We didn't do a lot of filming yesterday. I did get some GoPro video on the helmet to show we were going clockwise, and today we're going counterclockwise. And honestly, I'm loving this counterclockwise setup, as I feel like it's a lot faster in that back straight. Car gets going about 130, and you can brake really hard in an aggressive left-right. This track is semi-short. I drive a lot of FIA tracks that's usually Formula 1 grade, so it's a little weird out here to experience the type of speeds, because I mean, it's kind of like Bondurant. You get up to 100 and then you got into some real technicalities. This car is really heavy up front. I mean, you got an all-wheel drive system, big twin turbo V6. It starts to push a little if you get it wrong in the corner. So if you don't respect the throttle, it's gonna come out. So you really have to roll into the throttle. These tires are 5 years old, and I'm running about a 153. I think the car's got a 151 in it if I weren't to kind of bitch out on the brakes, but we just found out through the first and second day, I have gone ahead and chunked this outer tire. So we're gonna swap the tires because it seems like there are more right-handers going counterclockwise. So I'm just out here having fun again, just trying to get through these days, and I'm gonna get in the race car here in about a few hours. So I don't know how well you can hear me, but this is my first time on AMP. I'm dropping the camera and stuff right now. We're kind of rushing. Just gonna do a sound check on Marissa's GTR. We've put the exhaust all the way to silent. Can't break 96 decibels. It's pretty strict out here. So I don't know. I'm just gonna take it easy. Obviously, this is just a sound check. Just kind of get a feel for the track. But I go up very first, so 8:30 is my session. So we got to get the sound check rolling here, and then you know, I'm just running HPD, so there's no competition really. Just trying to get familiar with the track. Don't break any rules. Obviously, get my 4 track days under wraps so I can go for my comp school and then go for my comp license, and then we can go open wheel racing. Good to go?
Go, go. That's okay. That's the point. Might be easier just to back off.
Yep.
You can go one or two more.
Okay. Let's get one more.